Did you know your alertness changes throughout the day? This is due to your body's circadian rhythm and sleep pressure. SleepSpace transforms this science into an energy wave you can actually see. You might notice sharper focus in the morning, a dip after lunch, and a second energy boost later on. These patterns shift depending on how well you sleep and your daily schedule. This means your rhythm behaves differently on good nights versus sloppy ones. Behaviors like exercise, caffeine intake, naps, and winding down work best when timed with your energy wave. Morning light and meals act as time signals to your body clock. Night owls often struggle with early bedtimes but improve with gradual shifts and stronger morning cues. Circadian systems respond better to small, consistent nudges than dramatic resets. Tonight, check your energy wave. Tomorrow, notice when you feel most alert and when your biggest dip occurs. This awareness is the first step to understanding your natural rhythm.